In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to determine whether your Windows 10 operating system is 32-bit or 64-bit. This is a crucial piece of information that can save you from potential compatibility issues when installing new software. So let's get started and make sure you're always in the know before you start downloading. First, you'll want to access the Start menu. On your keyboard, find the Windows key, which is typically located between the Control and Alt keys on the lower left. Give that a press and you'll see the Start menu pop up instantly on your screen. It's your gateway to all the programs and settings on your computer. Once the Start menu is open, look for the search box, which is conveniently located right there. In this search box, type the word Settings. As you begin typing, you should notice the Settings app appearing in the results. Go ahead and click on that app to open it. The Settings app is a hub where you can fine-tune just about everything related to your device's operation. Within the Settings window, you'll want to locate the System section. It's usually depicted by a laptop icon. Click on this section and you'll enter a new window with a lot of options related to your device's system settings. Here, scroll down through the list of options until you find one labeled About. Give that a click. Now, you're in the About section, which contains a treasure trove of information about your computer. Here, under Device Specifications, you'll see a line called System Type. Pay close attention to what it says here because this is where the magic happens. Right here, it will specify whether your version of Windows 10 is 32-bit or 64-bit. That's the key piece of information you're looking for. Additionally, it's useful to note if your processor is x64 base. If it is, that means your system is compatible with 64-bit applications, which is good to know for future software installations. And there you have it. You've just learned how to identify whether your Windows 10 is running on 32-bit or 64-bit architecture. It's a simple check that's incredibly helpful anytime you're considering installing new software. Being aware of this detail can prevent problems down the line by ensuring that you're downloading the correct version of programs and avoiding compatibility headaches. Thanks for following along with this simple guide. Remember, checking your system type is an easy step, but one that can make a world of difference in your computing experiences.